open house is because our company Kingsview is having 2 new programs opening up in Shasta County. Well, one of them is new. The AOT Assisted Outpatient Treatment is just starting. The contract was just signed recently. And the Wellness Center, we've been fully in person since December of 2021. Our members are really friendly and inviting and welcoming, and our staff, all of our staff has lived experience with mental health challenges and or substance abuse, and it just makes it a really great place for people to connect with other people. I love helping people get well. I love seeing progress in people's lives, and people will come in and they will feel very isolated or alone, having trouble with their emotions, or maybe going through grief and anxiety, and I just love helping them learn tools. One of my favorite things is facilitating a RAP group, and RAP stands for Wellness Recovery Action Plan, and that's helping people develop skills and create a plan for their wellness, and I just love seeing changes in people as they start to be able to manage what's going on in their life.